Fist bump. Booyah.
Like, he'll be firing through here. Oh, he's done now, I guess. Just go, move, or whatever.
What's coming up down by the tracks?
Ah, shit, it's coming.
Okay, contact at the gate on the right side, left side, sorry.
Right over there, there's someone. Probably actually moving up, actually. He's going to suck. Sorry, not you.
Today I'm back in Redhills and we're playing Capture the Flag again. Currently my team has the flag and we're just trying to defend it.
Contact in the barn, Very back, very back.
One into the corner over there.
I see movement in the barn in the dark area.
Okay, you cover me, I'm going to go to the safe house. Right there. Oh, it's in the back.
Fucking hell.
I've got one that's coming up there and you can get the feet on me and I just open fire on them.
Lads, what do you see? Contact, back of the barn. Contact inside the barn, right side. Behind the cover in the middle of the barn. Good lad. Take the fucking hit. Middle of the barn, guys, behind that cover on the left side. Left side, he's poking his head out.
Hey man!
Alright. I think I saw a guy go into the barn. I can't see anything at the moment, lads. Is there a guy behind the gate? I see him, Right, I'm reloading. Okay? Yeah. Good. Just behind the cover there. Just literally behind that cover, lads. He's out.
I know what's the story over there.
They're trapped in the barn, I think.
Oh, nice, cool. Yeah, let's go in the barn a bit. They're stuck in there, it's hard to see them.
Yeah.
Because they're all fucking like dark and shit.
I'm kicking ass here though.
I know,
That's
same.
why I'm staying here.
Do you want fire in there a second? I'll go in afterwards or something. Or fuck it, I'll just do it.
Here, I'll suppress you.
Oh shit.
Oh, hit, dead man! Dead man, dead man! Dead man walking, dead man! I think I saw someone behind that cover there.
What's the story of their flags,
I can't see. I can't see. I'm assuming it's our flag. That's in it. Lads, I'm coming into you.
Someone in that doorway, careful, Kai. He might be dead actually, I don't know. Are you fucking kidding me? If you're going through that door right over there. Oh shit. They're in the barn now, I think, again.
I can't see any fire coming from there, so they must be in the barn. I'm gonna go back to where I was. You alright, Dara?
Yeah, I'm down.
Cool, they're all in the barn. Hit, dead man! Dead man! Lucky bastard, hit my fucking knee pad. I think the marshal jinxed the red team when he said that we'd be losing from now on.
That's my cousin. He came with me to play today. His Instagram name is in the description below.
I'm going to move on back to my original.
Cool. You okay?
Yeah, the flag's gone.
Is it?
Yeah, someone has to get it.
Lads, the flag is gone. The flag's gone. Can anyone see it? Where's our flag? Oh fuck.
All we need is 1 point. We hold them back, they can't win. That's all we need is 1 point. Just hold them back. Just hold them back.
Just back up at the battlefield.
We don't need any more than that.
Decisions. Do you want to stay here or go up?
I'll go. Cover me.
Oh no.
The string that winds my magazine had broken off, so I had to transfer all the BBs from that magazine to my other magazine, which was quite a pain.
I'm having a bit of a magazine problem here.
Yeah, you stay free. Yo, man, I've magazine problem here. No, not him, man over there. Oh, he's not,
I'm going to move up a bit.
yeah.
Sorry, would you be able to open that? Just that bit
Just
there.
oh shit. Sure. Wait. Fuck. Like I'm trying to hold off here. They might be moving up a bit.
Oh shit.
Dara is moving up there.
I'll go see if I can find
Yeah.
someone
Sorry
else.
about that. Just put your hand up, all right? They won't shoot you now, I don't think. They might move in the barn, Dara. You see anyone? Sorry. All right. Oh, I see you now.
Sorry, could you help me? I need you to open this for me. Yeah, my other magazine's broken, it won't mind. I just need you to open that part for me. I can't put my gloves on. This part here. The hatch. Little part here. Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
Wait, yellow? All right.
Look, I'm going to take this off.
I think I saw someone there.
Are you pushing up, lad?
Can't see any of them. No, sure, look, we've every angle covered. If we win this one, then it's all good.
We're gonna win this one.
Yeah, that'd be fine.
Hey, Dara. Lads, there's someone at the gate. They're behind the first one, I think.
Yeah.
The one closest to us. I saw him run up. I couldn't hit him.
Here, better. I got him.
Do you have him?
Yeah, behind that cover there.
I'm gonna run to there, see what I can do. On 3.
Yeah, I can see he's gone.
Where is it?
He's just there. You see that cover?
Hey, hit, dead man, dead man, dead man walking. Good shooting, mate, dead man. Just at the gate there behind those boxes on the right. You get him? Sweet. There's some lads running up there. Hey, behind the first gate.
Behind the first one?
Yeah. I see him. Mind yourself there. Fuck, he's moving up. Don't you dare move. Lads, behind the gate, behind the gate. Behind the gate. Fucking hell. Ooh. Lads, they're all coming up the left side. The left side at the gate. There's a good few of them coming up now. Yeah, they're all looking out there now. That was a really fucking good game.
Yeah.
Here, thanks. Oh, there you go. Fist bump. Booyah.
That's a good game.
It's a really fucking good game. I think we won.
Yeah, we did.